Hi there, it's Marion Vag with another tutorial for AnnaBelle Stamps. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make a Christmas star, or some people call it a snowflake, and I'm using some of the new AnnaBelle Stamps Digital Papers that have recently been released, and it's the classic cherry collection. I chose two different designs and printed on both sides of some lightweight cardboard. I'm cutting squares that are 12 centimetres by 12 centimetres, and I need 6 of them. After I've cut my 6, I then use my scoreboard just to score down the middle. Now I could have just folded these in half, but I thought it would give a better finish if I actually use my scoreboard, and just using my bone folder there to make a nice crisp fold. And I'm doing that on all 6 squares. Now what you need to do is make 2 cuts on either side of the triangle, about 1 centimetre in, and I'm cutting along from the fold in a triangle, but I'm not cutting right to the top so they meet. Show that again, about 1 centimetre in, starting from the fold, cutting up to the point, and again on the other side, but not quite cutting so they touch. And the second cut is around about another centimetre in from the previous cut. And you need to do that on all 6. So now you need some sort of adhesive. I'm just using my tape runner here. Could use sticky tape, could use glue dots, or if you wanted to be patient and hold it, you could actually use some liquid glue. So I've just folded the first around, and then I flip it over and fold the other 2 around and adhere them, and then I flip it over again. And you end up with this shape. You need to do this 6 times for each point of the star. So I'll show you again. Take the middle one, put some adhesive on it, bend it round so it overlaps, and just stick it down, and then you flip it over. And then you flip it over again. Now you need to do the same so that you end up with 6 points of the star. You can see that I've done some where the red is in the centre, and then other ones where the white pattern is in the centre. And I've just alternated the colours. Now you need some sort of stapler. I'm just using a little mini stapler that I own to staple 3 of them together. You could use glue dots, but I find the stapler is easy and works better. And you need to do exactly the same on the other side. Once you've got both sides, you then need to attach them together. Now you need to join those intersections on the stars, and you need to go right around the star and do that 6 times. Just using a little mini hole punch just to punch a little hole in the top. And I'm using some AnnaBelle's twine. And it's ready for hanging. A really simple and quick way to make a Christmas star. Now I also decided to make a white one, and this one's slightly bigger than the one I made previously. This one's just made out of photocopier paper, and instead of doing a 12 centimetre square, I did a 15 centimetre square. And instead of only cutting twice on each side of the triangle, I actually made 3 cuts, and it just gives a different look at the end. And there you have it. 2 very simple ways to make Christmas stars. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you'll give it a go. Thanks for watching.